Alright, so what is up everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So I got a bunch of exciting news to share with you guys, and for starters, I am back in Argentina now. So to catch you guys up real quick on where I went when I moved away from Argentina and the reasons that I left, let's get into it. So I moved away from Argentina about 5 months ago, and I went down to the country of Mexico, and more specifically I moved to Cancun. I moved away mainly to try something new, and I figured what better place to do that than Cancun, to really get out of my comfort zone and try something totally crazy. That's pretty much the reason why I moved down to Cancun. Also because I do acrobats and shows and stuff, I found that Cancun, there's a bunch of shows that I was going to be able to do over there and kind of make a living and have myself entertained while I was there doing the shows. And it was a fun experience while it lasted, to pretty much work in a bunch of the resorts down in Cancun, get to see them. But I really started to miss Argentina and the culture that's here, because Cancun and Argentina are two totally different places, and they're both good and bad in their own ways. So that's when me and my girlfriend made the decision to move back to Argentina, and I'll tell you, coming back has not been easy. We've been here for over a month and a half now, and we finally this week got our apartment. I'm on the rooftop now, but the process for that was crazy. It was crazy. It took us literally a month of looking and another 2 weeks just to sign the papers, just to get into an apartment rental here, because there's nothing at all to find. Nobody wants to rent, so that's just one of the first problems that we had. But yeah, finally getting the apartment now. At least look at that, I got a view. The other apartment that I had did not have any type of rooftop that we can go to, and it was a lot smaller than this one. But look, a mini panoramic view of the city. Oh, I love it, but there's a lot of construction there, another building over there, a building that they're making here. So yeah, Mar del Plata's growing a lot more buildings and stuff. So see how much the city changes while we're here now. But I like it. I like this part a lot better. Being up high, you can actually breathe, so that's gonna be fun. All of that I'll be sharing in the videos that will be coming up, but I'll tell you, being back has been nice, getting back to the Argentinian culture. So if there's any types of videos that you guys want me to make while I'm here, or any experiences that you want me to share, just leave it in the comments, send me a message. We're trying to make as much videos as possible, so just let me know. All right, see you in the next one. Peace.